Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Shell's Life channel. For today's video is all about the National Shrine on the mountain, Mount Samat National Shrine. Mount Samat is a mountain in the town of Pilar, Bataan, Philippines. Located near its summit is the Mount Samat National Shrine, a national shrine dedicated to the fallen Filipino and American fallen during World War II. Mount Samat is a parasitic cone of Mountain Maribeles with no record of historical eruption. The summit of Mount Samat is 9.2 kilometers by 5.7 millimeters of the Maribeles caldera. Mount Samat itself has 550 meters and 1,800 feet wide crater that opens to northeast. The mountain Samat Cross is situated near at the edge of the crater rim. The historical significance. At the start of World War II in 1942, after suffering heavy losses against the Imperial Japanese Army all over Luzon, the Filipino and American soldiers retreated to Bataan Peninsula to regroup for last valiant but futile stand. After 4 months of fighting, the 78,000 exhausted, sick, and starving soldiers under the Major General Edward P. King surrendered to Japanese on April 9, 1942, known as the Fall of Bataan. It is the single largest surrender of U.S. soldiers in historical, and Maribeles, a town in the Bataan province, was their last stronghold, after which, together with the Philippine soldiers, they were led on the 80-mile, 100-kilometer march to Capas Tarlac, known as the Bataan Death March. The Mountain Samat National Shrine was erected as memorial to Filipino and American soldiers who fought against the Imperial Japanese Army in World War II. And that's all, guys. Hope you like my new video. Happy watching! If you had any comment or suggestion, please comment.
Walking exercise dito sa Mount Samat. Makikita natin yung view ng Manila Bay daw, sabi. Manila Bay, tsaka yung nature. Dagat.
Philippine Sea.
Philippine Sea.
Okay.
So guys, malapit na kami sa Big Cross. Ito raw yung pangalawa sa pinakamalaking cross sa buong mundo. Kasi laki siya ng Liberty. Sinabi ko na kanina, inulit ko lang ulit. Kasi nihingal na ako. Ayan na guys. Malapit na tayo. So guys, narating na namin. tuktok ng Mount Samat. So guys, pababa na kami. Yung pababa, hindi siya masyadong mahirap. Ingat. Ingat, so ingat. Jenny! Layo pala yung lakarin natin. Okay, una. Saan pababa?
Kaso wala namang mangga dito. Grabe yung mangga dito dati. 20 pesos.
So guys, nandito kami sa I Love Limay. Yan, I Love Limay. Charan, ang ganda ng mga tanong. So guys, papunta kami ngayon ng falls. Bundok na dito guys. Naririnig ko na ang lagas-gas ng tubig. Yung huni, yung tunog ng tubig ng falls, naririnig ko na. Aww. Ayan o, nakalagay o. Oh guys, so ang lalaki ng bato. Tikip Falls. Nandito tayo sa Tikip Falls. So guys, ayan. Tikip Falls, ating pangalagaan. Bawal magtapon ng mag-iwan ng mga basura. Ayan na! Wow! So guys, nandito na tayo sa Tikip Falls. Ingat. Ingat, asawa ka ingat. So guys, nandito na tayo sa Tikip Falls. Ayan. Oo natin, malalim. Pwede din doon. May falls. Ay, wala magdadive. Sako, maligo mo? Akin na. Ingat! Ingat! Wala. Ingat! Ingat! Guys, nandito tayo sa Tikip Falls. Yan, enjoy silang maligo sa patis.
No, 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 no.
So guys, tapos na kaming maligo sa Tikip Falls. Punta muna kami ng bahay. Ingat. Thank you, to nature.
Di pa to alam ng mga...
Kumawa ka pang hilot. Alin? Mo?
Yun ang game experience.
Wala na bang naiwan? Guys, pauwi muna kami ng bahay. Sa pool naman kami ngayon.
Dati marami rin ano dito. Yes, yes. Tabing ko.
どうせ作るのはもうちょい広く作れ。